Now get ready for the last startup to take the stage. This startup is going to have a very interactive demo, and it is called Thingsee Smart Valves. It's gonna be exciting one. Please welcome on stage Paulo Lopes from Haltian. All my childhood life, I've been moving from one spot to another one due to my parents' working career life. I remember telling them sometime that, hey, parents, I would like to stay still in the same location for a while. I don't like moving environments all the time, getting new friends, getting to know new schools and so on. And guess what I did after that? I moved from Portugal to Helsinki. Cold weather, dark environment, but actually a paradise for technology and innovation. Imagine that you are the head of a factory, paper and pulp industry. You have millions of valves. You have automated valves and you have manual valves. Manual valves because they don't belong to a critical process and it's not worth the investments in automated and expensive valves. So when you have a maintenance break for the automated valves, you just press a button and they shut down. For the manual valves, you need a person to go there with a paper and check, okay? Turn this valve, close it up. Next, thousands of times. Everything works smoothly. For 10 years, that has been happening. But this time, when you are going to do the ramp-up production from a maintenance break, a worker forgets to change one valve to the correct position. The production doesn't start. You don't know where's the problem. You need to find the source of the problem. You go spend hours looking for that problem. Then you find out that it's a valve. You need to go and have somebody searching for that valve and put it in the correct position. Now that you are the head of the factory, what do? How do you solve that problem? Up until now, there was no good solution for that. Now, I'll present you our smart valve monitoring solution. Let's go through the same case again. So you're having a maintenance break, you close all the valves. You perform the maintenance. It can take hours performing the maintenance break. When you want then to ramp up the production again, you need to put the valves into the correct position. So how you do? Manually again, you go and do that work because they are still manual valves. So you go and move them to the open position. At this time again, one valve was forgotten. But this time, you're not going to lose $500,000 in production losses because you can see immediately from the process control systems that one valve is in the wrong position. In addition to that, you know where that valve is. So you can have some operator go there and put the valve into the correct position. And then the production runs smoothly and fluidly. This is a very simple installation. Even an IT person has deployed this within our client. It's very scalable, can go up to millions of devices due to our solution and technology capabilities. And it's very predictable, the costs. So you have a clear return on investment with this solution. And furthermore, this solution is directly fully integrated with your process systems. So you don't need to do anything in addition to that. No other platform whatsoever. This is, the Thingsee Smart Valve monitoring solution. after my university course as an industrial engineer, I wanted to apply lean methodologies in a production environment, optimize operations, do maintenance management. But my career took me somewhere else. But I'm happy because now I can apply digitalization to any process industry. Talking about gas and oil, chemical, water, wastewater, paper and pulp, with this smart valve manufacturing solution. Thank you. Questions?
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Thank you, very nice presentation. As we can see, you have ball valves here
Yeah.
for this use.
Yes.
What about the butterfly valves and needle valves that have more like rotating wheel, such of things, and when we go to the bigger, like 20 inches diameter of the pipelines, there's big valves as well. So how these work with those, like, as those are the main valve types in the heavy industry?
Yeah. So basically the device has a rotational knot on it and it's measuring the correct angle of it. So if I twist to a different position, you know the accurate angle of it, and this can twist 360 degrees. So basically this solution could be applied to butterfly valves.
Yeah, so does it recognize when it goes around like 15 times? Like in the bigger valves, there is a lot of circulation with the wheel.
So this solution was not specifically made for those purposes, but since it is a rotational, technology-wise, yeah, it could be made. Some more questions? Yep.
What is the price of the device, and how they connect together? Do you have some central hub, or do they make some mesh network?
Yeah.
Or something?
The devices are connected through a mesh network, so they are all communicating within themselves, and they can have those thousands of them. Then we have a gateway that can connect either to one of those, and once it connects to one of those, then it sends the information from all the devices to the cloud. It can be to the cloud, or it can be a local server too. So with this customer, we have implemented in the local server. In terms of costs, this solution is 90% cheaper than an automated valve.
Any more questions?
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.